Hi children, here is another exercise, a very interesting exercise. You add a letter and you can form a new word. Okay, let's enjoy adding a letter to make a new word. Adding a letter to make new word. It's a very interesting exercise. I hope you're going to enjoy. Let's look at our first word. What can you see here? Hand. Hand. So, look at. We're going to form a new word. Look. A letter H. What letter is this? Letter H. Ha. Plus and. This and that. We say, no? And. H plus A-N-D and gives you a new word, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Did you enjoy, children? Yes. Let's look at another. Let's form a new word. Good. What do we have here? We have a holder with 3 brushes over there. Okay. Brush holder, huh? Okay, fine. B, letter B, B. B plus rush, R-U-S-H, rush. What's the meaning of rush? Darting out. Rush. When you open the tap, water will rush out, yes, of the tap. B plus rush gives you a word, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush, any brush, toothbrush, painting brush, any brush. B plus rush gives you a new, completely new word, brush. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another. Form a new word. We have here, what is this? Bread. You love bread? Ask mommy to put butter, jam for you. Yummy. B plus red. What's red? Red color. Yeah. R-E-A-D. Read. B plus read. You read books? Good. B plus read gives you a completely new word, bread. Read you have here. B plus read gives you bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another. Make a new word. And let's enjoy making completely a new word. Okay? What is this? Looks like a little cage. Yes? Okay, let's see what's given to us. C plus age, A-G-E, age. Somebody will ask, what's your age? I'm 5 years old. Yes, C plus age gives you a new word, cage. C-A-G-E, cage. What do you put into the cage? Some birds. Yes, you put birds, love birds, into the cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Good. Let's take another picture. Let's make a new word. What is this? Engine, yeah. Train. Here's the engine as part of the train. What's the train? You go to the station, you get into it, and you can travel long distance to see your grandma. Yes. T. T for train. T plus rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Now rain. T plus rain. In the rain you get wet, isn't it? So T plus rain gives you a completely new word, train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Did you enjoy? Let's find another picture to make a new word. Have you seen this crow? Good. It's a common word. You find this bird anywhere around your place. C plus. C plus row. C plus row, crow. CROW, crow. Crow is a common word we see in and around our house. C plus row gives you new word, crow. CROW. Let's go on to another picture, another new word. Bear. Cute little bear, isn't it? Curd. B plus. Ear. EAR, ear. B plus ear gives you a new word, bear. BEAR, bear. BEAR, bear. Teddy bear that you love to hug. Yes. Let's go on to a new picture. Form a new word. What is this? Tape. Yeah, tape. T plus. T plus ape. APE, ape. T plus ape gives you a new word, tape. TAPE, tape. What do you do with the tape? You can stick things. Yes? Tape. Code, sellotape. It can be colored, it can be white or brown, whatever. Let's look at another picture. Let's make a new word. What do you see here? Rice. Yes? A plate of rice. R plus. R plus ice. Ice you get in the fridge, you know. R plus ice gives you a new word, rice. RICE, rice. Are you enjoying forming a new word? Good. Let's look at another. Here we are. What do we have here? A bus. Yes? Oh, okay. Now, B plus. Us. You and I. Us. B plus us. Bus. A new word. Bus. 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 The bus. School bus. You go to school in this bus. Yes? School bus. Good. That's why it's yellow color. Good. Are you enjoying, children? Let's find a new picture and form a new word. What is this? Cloud. Yes. Cloud. C plus. A word. C plus. Loud. Teacher says, shh, don't talk loud. LOUD, loud. C plus loud gives you a new word, cloud. CLOUD. CLOUD, clouds. Did you enjoy, children? Let's look at another. What is this? Somebody carries the home on its back. Snail, yes. Snail carries his home. This is his home. It's made of shell. S plus nail. Nail. S plus nail. Snail gives you a completely new word. It gives you SNAIL, snail. Have you seen the snail in your garden? Yes. It keeps going very slowly, moves very slowly. S plus nail, snail. Are you enjoying, children? Good. Let's go on to a new picture. S plus. S plus oil. Mommy does cooking, you know. Oil. S plus oil gives you a completely new word, soil. What do you plant in the soil? A tiny seed so that it will grow. Where do you find soil? In your garden. S plus oil, soil. In the soil you grow, put seeds and grow tiny plants. Let's look at another picture. What do we have here? Your toy drum. Yes? D. Da. D plus rum. Rum. D plus rum gives you a new word, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. You tap on the drum and make a big noise and you enjoy tapping your drum. Did you enjoy this exercise? Good.